Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to set up your Brother MFC-L3780CDW printer step by step, from unboxing to Wi-Fi setup, fax configuration, and software installation. Make sure you follow each step carefully so your printer works perfectly from the start. Let's get started. Step 1. First, carefully remove the printer from the box. Inside the box, you should find the Brother MFC-L3780CDW machine, toner cartridge and drum unit assemblies, black, cyan, magenta, and yellow, pre-installed, waste toner box, installed, belt unit, installed, AC power cord, quick setup guide, product safety guide, important. Before plugging in the printer, locate the serial number label on the back or side of the machine. Write this down. You'll need it for registration and warranty support. Step 2. Remove packing materials and prepare toner. Now let's prepare the internal components. Open the front cover. Remove all blue packing tape inside the printer. Take out each toner and drum assembly. Remove the orange protective parts from each cartridge. Reinstall all 4 toner and drum units firmly into the machine. Close the front cover securely. Make sure everything clicks firmly into place. Step 3. Pull out the paper tray completely. Adjust the paper guides. Load letter or A4 paper. Do not exceed the maximum paper mark. Adjust the guides so they touch the paper edges. Slide the tray back into the printer. Proper alignment prevents paper jams. Step 4. Connect the AC power cord to the back of the printer. Plug it into a wall outlet. Press the power button to turn on the machine. The printer will now initialize. Step 5. Select your language. On the touchscreen, press Settings, tap All Settings, select Initial Setup, tap Local Language, choose your preferred language, press OK. Your display language is now set. Step 6. If planning to use fax, connect the telephone line cord to the port labeled Line. Plug the other end into your wall telephone socket. If you are not using fax, you can skip this step. Step 7. If using fax, configure A. Set date and time, settings, all settings, initial setup, date and time, enter the correct date and time. B. Set station ID, settings, all settings, initial setup, station ID. Enter your fax number and name. By default, the printer is set to automatically receive faxes. Step 8. Now let's install the printer on your computer. Go to setup.brother.com. Download and install the latest Brother software. Follow the on-screen instructions. Once completed, you can print and scan from your computer. Wireless Wi-Fi setup. If setting up wirelessly, on the touchscreen, press Settings, Network, Wi-Fi, find Wi-Fi Network, or press Find Wi-Fi Network directly. Select your Wi-Fi name, enter your Wi-Fi password. When successful, the screen will display Connected. If setup fails, restart your router, restart the printer, try again. For 5 GHz networks, confirm compatibility at Brother's support site before connecting. Important: change default admin password. For network security, the default admin password is printed on the back of the printer labeled PWD. It is highly recommended to change this password immediately to protect your printer from unauthorized access. Once finished, your Brother MFC-L3780CDW is now ready to print, scan, copy, and fax. You can also check for firmware updates at support.brother.com. And that's it! Your Brother MFC-L3780CDW printer is now fully set up and ready to use. If you face any issues during setup, don't worry. Contact Printer Support. Our support team is available to help you with fast and reliable assistance. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more printer setup guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.